Hello friends, on the behalf of the IPR Aware World, a social campaign, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to the celebrations of the World IP Day that is celebrated every year on the 26th of April. Being the official event of WIPO, that is the World Intellectual Property Organization at Geneva in Switzerland, we have incorporated several themes that were introduced by WIPO ever since the commencement of the World IP Day in 2001. So we are going to take you through this phenomenal journey of the themes in the course of this event. So let us have a glimpse at each of them one by one. The theme for 2001 was Creating the Future Today, that would enable the existence of a better present in the future whose foundation would be attributed to its glorious past. The theme for 2002 happens to be Encouraging Creativity. This ensures the availability of a good and genuine product in the market and at the same time promotes a healthy competition. The theme for 2003 was Make Intellectual Property Your Business. This would help you earn social benefits for your hard work on an ethical basis. The theme for 2004 is Encouraging Creativity, that is, to ensure development of new products as well as improvement and redesigning of existing products to serve the society. The theme for 2005 is Think, Imagine and Create, a most important prerequisite to develop any novel products in the market. The theme for 2006 is It Starts with an Idea. That is, research has to initiate somewhere and it truly begins with the power of the mind known as an idea. The theme for 2007 is Encouraging Creativity. That is, in order to inspire the minds to think out of the box. The theme for 2008 is Celebrating Innovation and Promoting Respect for Intellectual Property, so as to award a recognition to the sustained hard work that is put in to accomplish any objective in any field. The theme for 2009 was Green Innovation. This was primarily to promote the development of sustainable technologies so as not to compromise on the needs of future generations to meet their own needs. The theme for 2010 was Innovation Linking the World, because a problem cannot be solved by the same thinking that created it, as the great Albert Einstein rightly said. The theme for 2011 was Designing the Future, that is, to ensure the availability of a better present for the future generations so as to continue the trend. The theme for 2012 was Visionary Innovations, because a vision leads to an idea that in turn gives birth to thinking, with creativity as the final output, as Dr. APJ Kalam rightly states it. Last but not the least, the theme for 2013 happens to be creativity, that is, the next generation. This is to enable one to see through the existing patterns to set the foundation for the new ones in the years to come. When developing any process or any product that needs to be launched in the market for the welfare of the society, it's extremely essential that the ideas that have been put in to formulate the same is safeguarded to prevent the misuse of one's work. Therefore, we need to assistance of the global IP tools like patents, trademarks, copyrights to safeguard the integrity of man's pervasive intelligence conferred to him by God. So friends, why is it necessary to celebrate such events? As we all know that protecting our creativity and resulting inventions is a fundamental duty, and therefore participation in such event induces a dawn of realization to safeguard the same. It simultaneously also protects a sense of awareness that enables one to take a firm stand on the global platform by embracing the IP tools in a small scale, public and private sectors. So friends, as we conclude the celebrations of the World IP Day 2013, it's our sincere urge to all of you to get acquainted with all the aspects of IPR to safeguard your sustained hard work year after year, and also be familiar with the new themes of the annual World IP Day in the glorious years to come.